Well, hello, boys and girls. Seems like you've got a lot of fun things to work on. This is for the 4-year-old friends. Guess what? We've got the letter B this week for you. B. B is for baseball. So you need to find the letter B's and follow the directions. Of course, you know your mom and dad will help you with this. Create a spider. Remember we talked about spiders? Well, here's a page where you can cut and create your own spider. And then I want you to put your thinking cap on and come up with a really fun story about your spider. Again, your mom and dad can write down what you have to say about your spider, and you may even be able to draw your spider, all on this page. And the black bats flew all around. Do you remember that song? Well, what would your bat like to do? I wonder. Well, here's a paper that you can go and tell your mom and dad what your bat does. My bat likes to do what? Sometimes my bat likes to sleep upside down for a very long time. What does your bat like to do? And here's a page that you can create. Boy, do you guys have a lot of fun things this week about bats and spiders. Have a good time.